and giggle. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One did a belly flop, made a big splashy drop. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One grabbed a buzzing fly, but it zipped through the sky. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One wore a cape so bright, flew off with all his might. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! He did a giant leap, right into water deep. Now there are no green speckled frogs. All of the speckled frogs splashed in the pond with logs, dancing and singing silly tunes. La, la! They made a froggy band, drumming with fins and hands, playing beneath the bright full moon. 5 little speckled frogs climbed back upon the log, shaking their tails and saying hi. Hello! They laughed and clapped with glee, counted from 1 to 3, waved to the kids as they went by. 5 little speckled frogs love their old speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! They jump and splash all day,